Types of events, independent and dependent events. In this video, we will understand the types of events, independent and dependent. To learn the concept of independent events, we need to understand the term complement of an event. The complement of an event A is the set of outcomes that do not imply an event A. It is denoted by AC. Thus, the complement of the event is the outcome of throwing a dice will be number 6, is the outcome of throwing a dice will be one of the numbers which are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Determining the types of events. Let B denote the event that the card is a king. By similar arguments, probability of B is equal to 1 by 4. Consider an event A in which a card drawn from a deck of cards is a king. One card can be drawn from a deck of cards in 52 ways. Similarly, one king can be drawn from 4 kings in 4 ways. Since the selection is random, all possible ways are equally likely, that is equal chance of being selected, and hence, probability of A is equal to 4 by 52, which is 1 by 13. Similarly, probability of B is equal to 13 by 52, which is equal to 1 by 4. Consider an event AB. Given that the card is club, there are 13 ways to choose a card. There is only one way to choose a king from a set of clubs. Hence, probability of AB is 1 by 13. Thus probability of AB equals probability of A, and occurrence of a king does not depend on whether the card is a spade, club, heart, or diamond. In other words, the two events are independent. Generally, two events A and B are said to be independent if the occurrence or non-occurrence of one does not impact the occurrence or non-occurrence of the other. Symbolically, it is written as shown. However, it is not necessary to verify all the equations. Once we know that probability of AB is equal to probability of A, other equations hold. Now, let us look at two events which are dependent. In this case, probability of AB is not equal to probability of A, for example. Let C be the event that a card drawn at random from a deck of cards is a diamond. Let D denote the event that the card is of a red denomination. Probability of C is equal to 13 by 52, which is equal to 1/4, and probability of CD is equal to 13 by 26. Hence probability of C is not equal to probability of D, thus C and D are dependent events.